Hi guys, my name is Seera Kapoor and you're watching MovieRainbow.com. For latest updates on movies and television, please do follow its site. So in Tiger, I play the role of Ganga. She belongs to Varanasi. Her family background is of a very orthodox and traditional setup. But having said that, she's the kind of a character who would imbibe all those values, but still have a sense of modernity in the way she thinks. She's very high as far as her aspirations are concerned, and wants to achieve so much more in this one life that she has. A complete lover and can go to any extent for her love. And her biggest restraint or resistance, if ever, is her family and what they would think of. So she's very considerate towards her family at the end of the day, and is a very warm, and a very relatable character. Okay, that one I can understand. You can see. So in this film, I am starring against Rahul. Rahul is a very, very warm co-actor, I would say, because he not just performs for himself when his close-ups are set, but gives an equal amount of effort and energy, when his co-stars performing. And I've had that experience from the very beginning of the film. He was the first person I shot the scene with, and he's also very genuine with every expression that he takes, every dialogue that he takes. And as an actor, sometimes it becomes a little difficult to believe the situation, because, at the end of the day, you're creating it. But with the way he performs for that span of time, you completely forget, and it all seems so real. I think he's going to do really well, and I've watched the film, and Rahul, you're really standing out if you're watching this video. I really respect you, and you've done a fab job. Sandeep, on the other hand, we share a different equation altogether. He's very spontaneous with his dialogues, and the same thing can be taken a multi-million times, but with a variety of expressions. So at no point can the co-actor or can I sort of preempt or plan what is going to happen next, because he'll just change it at any point of time. But having said that, he's very cooperative, and it's his energy that really keeps up the co-actor as well. And I think all the scenes that we shot from the beginning to the end of the film, it's all been set in that sort of a space where he says something and I feel like doing something, so I do it. Of course, we have a briefing and we try and follow that as much as we can, but overall, I think we've had a fabulous working chemistry, and I would love to work with him further. Well, I actually, fortunately, I feel happy to say, I think it was through the works of Run Raja Run. I remember I was in Bombay, and the director Anand very kindly called me, and he first started off by complimenting me and my performance in Run Raja Run, which felt really nice. And thereon, he started a narration of his film where he described the character that he was aiming for me to play, and the entire story. All said and done, I think maybe Anand was already convinced that he could see his character through me, and I think this time it was a little easier. I wouldn't lie, there was no audition, but I think it was through Run Raja Run that Tiger really took off for me. Wow, whatever you say for Chota So is very less, and I'm too young to even describe him in words, because he's extremely gifted, very experienced, and he must be, quite of an age, but on set he is a child, and his energy rubs off on the hundreds of people, that's the kind of aura he possesses. Chota So has taught me a lot through this film. He's not the kind of cinematographer who only shoots to make his location or his actors look good. But I must say he also involves in the expression that the actors are giving, and he'll always give you feedback. He's extremely positive. He also has this ability to sense if his actors are a little low, and he'll come and ask you, he'll talk to you. So he creates this magic and aura, and most importantly, he pushes, the emphasis of belief within all of us as actors, and I've really felt that through the entire film. After watching Tiger, I have no words, because yes, the script is fabulous, and I really do believe in it. But I think, Chota Sir, you've taken it to a whole new level altogether. You've shot these locations before, I've just been told, but it looks so different. And each time, he tries and creates something very different. That is Chota Sir for you. The entire time I remember a lot of things, a lot of scenes that we took rode on spontaneity, and he's capable of changing anything at any time, from my hair to the lipstick to the clothes, to the location. If he feels this is not working out, he just doesn't compromise, and that is the best part about him. Yeah. Tagore, Madhu sir, both the producers have been extremely caring towards their actors. I, through the sets of Tiger, have not had much of an interaction with them. But at the end of the day, if everything is sailing smooth, then it's only and only because of the producers. They've been very involved, not just otherwise, but also in the scenes. We saw the film together, and again, he stepped out and he was discussing what can be worked on and what was right, what was wrong, what was touching, what was not. It's really nice to see producers talk creativity, talk cinema, and it shows that they're cinema lovers as well. So I've been very gifted and very fortunate to have them as my backup through Tiger, and I just hope that they've been happy with my performance, and that's all an actor can really be. If my producer's happy, I'll be happy. Oh wow, I love the music of Tiger. I feel really lucky because from Run Raja Run to Tiger, every song has been so well written, so well composed. S.S. Thaman has done a fab job. I think yes, the script matters, our performance matters, but I think Thaman Garu has really put in all his heart and soul in every song, and you can feel it not just from the songs, the videos, but even the RR of the film. You can see, I mean, every instrument. And I think I remember the first time I met him was when I flew down to Hyderabad, and I had met Chhota Sir for the first time, and I could hear this person singing in the background. And although I was in a conversation with with the script, my eyes just went on to him because he was enjoying it. And I think his enjoyment, his love is what has created this magic. And Tiger is sounding so promising, and everything that it has, it's because of his work, his effort. And I just want to really thank him for giving us such fabulous music that we hum. In Bombay, I remember all my friends, they start off their day with Telugu songs, and that is the biggest blessing I can ever ask for. I think the main reason why I got onto board for Tiger was because of the emotional value that it has. And I think as human beings, if there's one thing that we all connect, then it would be through emotions. Tiger promises an outburst of all sorts, be it love, friendship, you feel hurt when something goes wrong. So I think if there's one reason why you must go and watch Tiger, it's because of the realistic relationship that not just one but all the characters share through the situations that they have. And I'm sure at some point each one of us experienced the same. So more than watching a film, I think you would probably be sitting in an audience saying, whoa, that happened to me, and oh my god, I reacted exactly like that. Everything else put aside, I think this would be the one reason why everybody should definitely hit the theaters. It would probably be, what is the word? A flashback of your story. I've already started working with Sumant Ashwin for my next. I think we've completed about 65 to 70% of the film, and that is also scheduled to be releasing very soon. So wish me all the luck.